Oh my god.
Come on, go! Come on, run! Get out of here, there's too many guys. There's too many guys, get over here. Stand ground. Boone, is that you? Did I get you? Alright, got him.
Hey, Dad, are we clear?
Yes, we're clear. Alright, move up on me. Stack! Stack on me. Alright, we're gonna... Did you get? Did I get? Alright, I got him. You're just holding. Hit! Alright, Dale, stack. Oh, you hit? Frick! Come on. Get behind cover here. Alright, here. Come at me to this. Right here, this wall. Get in. Make sure. Alright, I want you to hold the middle down. You see anybody, you get them. I'm going in. Bang, bang.
Oh, ow.
Here, come on, come on. I need your help. I don't want to shoot into their spawn. They're in the hospital, hospital. Get down, get down.
Should I try throwing a grenade?
Throw, go ahead. If you want. Right to the hospital. I can't. No, I wouldn't actually hold it off. Hold on, we'll try to clear the room. Damn it, I'm out of ammo.
Oh my god.
Get down, get down. Cool. Get down, stay down. Friendly, friendly. Get down. I know where they are. No, I'm running my pistol mags now. I'm running through ammo like freaking candy. In the window, right at the spawn. All right, got another one. You make sure they don't get past. Friendly, friendly. Hold them down. I'll be right back. I'm going it straight. Okay, thank you. Hit. Hi guys, why don't you click that subscribe button right on the bottom to subscribe to my channel. Click that top link too. It'll bring you to one of my awesome videos. Thanks for watching guys, have a nice day.